Hello, all YouTubers. Uh, with the current crisis, it may be upon you to very quickly come up with a respiratory mask. And there are some excellent, inexpensive, do it yourself approaches on YouTube. Let me just add my own 2 cents to this. I used to run years ago, but I had to stop because of problems with my knees. But in northwestern Pennsylvania, when I used to run in the late fall or early winter outdoors, I would get upper respiratory infections. So a person who was actually in the Olympics a number of years ago, who grew up in this area, told me to take a ski cap, cut the top off, and use it as a covering over the mouth in cold weather. But this may work too, so let me show you what I have in mind. There is the finished product. I bought a ski cap at the local Walmart. Excuse me, and I got that actually on sale for $1 because they're closing out winter supplies. And it fits really well, so pick up a ski cap or use one that you've had laying around from the winter. You can get a good price on them this time of year. Get one, order it online if you have to, and cut the top off of it. That's right, grab a pair of scissors or a razor, an X-Acto knife, and just cut the top off. There you go. Shouldn't take long. There's the severed portion on the left, and on the right you have the finished material. Now, what you can do is either pull the part you cut off, where your head would be touching. You can pull the thicker part over your neck, but this time of year, with winter at an end, it may be better to pull it the other way. And I hope this helps. And I actually, in the first slide, showed you where I had this portion, the top of it, I pull over my face, so I cover my nose and mouth with the lower part of the ski mask. I hope this helps you. It's just an idea. Bye for now.